8 we are going to take first. It says a floral design. What do you understand by floral design?
Tiles on the floor.
I like a flower.
Yes, on a floor. It is made up on a floor. In the shape of a flower, right? Is made up of 16 tiles. How many tiles are joined to make that one design? 16. 1, 6. Which are triangular. And each tile is of which shape?
Triangular.
Triangular shape. With the dimension 9, 28 and 35. Can you see this picture? Children, this is the picture of the tiles. Can you see better?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
One blue and one white. Two triangles together make one petal. And there are total 8. 8 into 2, 16.
16.
Children, we have to find what is the cost of polishing this design. That is, this design matlab 16 tiles. If the cost of polishing is 50 paisa per centimeter square. So what do we have to find first of all?
Area of one tile.
Area.
Area of tiles. How many tiles?
16 tiles.
So for that matter, first of all, we shall find area of one tile
One tile.
and by 16. Multiplied by 16. So step 1 is to find area of one tile. That will be your step 1. To find area of one tile. So let A is equal 9 centimeter, B equal 28 centimeter, C equal 35 centimeter. Right? So we get what is smallest, children?
Semi-perimeter.
A plus B plus C by 2, which is equal 9 plus 28 plus 35 upon 2 centimeter. Hanji, what is 9 plus 28 plus 35?
72.
Is it 72?
Yes, ma'am, 72.
So S is 72 by 2 centimeter, which is
36 centimeters.
6.
here. So now by Heron's formula, area of one tile. You remember the formula? Under root
S into S minus A.
into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.
right? So now this is equal to 36, 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28, 36 minus 35 and centimeter square. Yes, beta? Now this will be 36. What is 36 minus 9?
27.
27.
36 minus 8. 28 is 8. And 36 minus 35 is 1. Now, children, I will give you one tip. Understand. We want pairs inside the square root. No matter whether the pairs are of bigger number or smaller number. I will advise you go for the bigger numbers. Because no matter how small numbers you take, ultimately you will multiply them better. I will give you a tip to make them bigger numbers. Like if you look at 36 and 27, They both come in one table. What is that table?
3.
The number.
3.
Do they come in the
Ma'am,
table of
9.
9? So 36 I can write as 4 into 9. Right? Yes. Or the other way around. You can do it another way, like 36 is itself a square. Square of what number?
6.
6.
So 1 6 will be taken out. Now 27.
Ma'am, cube.
27 is,
3 cube.
7 is.
Ma'am, 3 cube.
But we want squares. We want squares. So just write 3 into 3. 8 into 1, 8. And again 8 is
Ma'am, 2 cube.
right. Now you want 1 from the pair. So 6 will be taken out. 1 from the pair. 3. 1 from the pair. What are you left with?
3 and 2.
What is 3 into 2?
6.
Now 6 into 9.
Ma'am, it
36.
is 2, I think.
Sorry.
Not 2 I'm 36 5.
36.
So 36 root 6 centimeter square. Now this is the area of one time. We have to find area of how many times?
16.
16 times.
16 times. So next we shall write now what? Area of design is equal area of 16 times. I hope you know that bracket is read as off. So area of design equal area of 16 tiles. Now area of 16 tiles is 16 into 36 root 6 centimeter square. What is 36 into 16 quickly? Root 6 will remain as it is. 36 into 16 children. I'm waiting
456.
for
Ma'am, 576.
576. If you multiply 36 and 16, you will get 576. All right. So now this is the area. आपको बेटा cost निकालना है, right? So as cost of polishing one centimeter square is equal to 50 paisa. Now how can you change 50 paisa in rupees?
5.
To change
1.5.
paisa to rupees, we divide by what?
100.
We'll put the symbol of rupees
100.
by 100, which will become
1
1 upon 2.
0.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
0.
So 50 is 1. Don't put in point. Now let it be 1 by 2. So therefore, cost of polishing this area 576 under root 6 centimeter square is equal to rupees 1 by 2 into 576 root 6. Ji beta,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the division? So rupees divide by 2.
283. 283 root 6.
23.
Ma'am, 283 root 6.
That's it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Swastik.